Which budget underseat subwoofer actually gives you real bass without turning your car into a rattling mess? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most look identical, promise the same power, and cost about the same. Today, we cut through the noise and show you exactly which ones are worth your cash.
Product number 1, Zincliss 10-inch 1200-watt slim subwoofer. First up is the Zincliss 2025 upgraded 10-inch subwoofer at $129.45. Right away, what stands out is the cast aluminum shell. This isn't just for looks. It dissipates heat 3 times better than cheaper iron enclosures, which matters because underseat spaces trap heat and can fry electronics fast. If you want serious bass that won't overheat on long drives, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1200-watt peak power and 220-watt RMS, it delivers deep, punchy lows without distorting at higher volumes. The frequency response goes down to 20 Hz, so you'll actually feel movie explosions or bass drops in hip-hop, not just hear them. Plus, it comes with a wired remote for on-the-fly adjustments, gain, bass boost, crossover, so you don't have to fiddle with your head unit. It also supports both high and low-level inputs, meaning it works with factory stereos and aftermarket systems alike. Over 400 sold last month shows people are buying it, even with 0 reviews yet. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of user ratings. It's brand new as of 2025. And honestly, that's fair. But Zincliss backs it with a 3-month replacement warranty and 24-hour email support, which helps ease the risk. Also, the blue LED light is cool, but if you're not into flashy interiors, it's purely cosmetic. This is perfect for you if you drive daily and want an easy, reliable bass upgrade that doesn't take up trunk space. Skip this one if you need RGB customization or already have a high-end audio setup. This is built for practicality, not audiophile tweaking. For under $130, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Segmentry KL10 Slim Sub. Now, if the Zincliss feels a bit too plain, the Segmentry KL10 at $124.53 adds RGB ambient lighting. Yes, it glows in color when you start your car. But beyond the lights, it shares a lot of the same DNA. Cast aluminum housing, 1200-watt peak power, and a slim 3.1-inch profile. If you want visual flair plus functional bass, this one stands out. What really helps here is the included mounting wire kit, something many competitors skip. That means less hunting for parts and faster install. The remote control gives you full command over bass boost, up to 12 dB at 45 Hz, low-pass filter, and gain, so you can tune it to your car's acoustics. Frequency response ranges from 20 Hz to 500 Hz, which covers everything from rumbling life tracks to fuller rock bass lines. And with thermal, short circuit, and overload protection, it's built to survive accidental misuse. The downside? The frequency response tops out at 500 Hz, which is higher than ideal. Some mid-bass may bleed into your main speakers if not tuned carefully. Also, while RGB sounds fun,
Product number 3, Segmentry 1000-watt ultra-thin sub.
all right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for tight budgets. The Segmentry at just $94.64. Don't let the lower price fool you. It's only 3.2 inches thick, making it the slimmest here and pumps out 1000-watt peak with 220-watt RMS. If you're tight on space and cash, this is a stealthy powerhouse. Its ultra-thin design means it slips under almost any front seat, even in compact cars, without lifting you up or blocking legroom. The built-in amp handles both high and low-level inputs, so it works with stock radios. You also get a wired remote, subsonic filter, phase switch, and full protection circuits. The aluminum cone ensures durability and heat resistance even during summer drives. And at 20 Hz to 500 Hz frequency response, it hits deep while staying clean. But here's the catch. The peak power is lower than the others, 1000 watt versus 1200 watt, and the frequency range doesn't go as low on the upper end, 150 Hz max on the low-pass filter. That means less control over blending with your main speakers, which could lead to boomy or muddy sound if not dialed in right. This is perfect for you if you drive a small car or SUV and need affordable, space-saving bass. Skip this one if you want maximum output or plan to crank volumes regularly. It's great for moderate listening, not bass competitions. For under $95, it's the best budget entry.
Product number 4, Fikar RGB Slim Sub 10. Now, if you're all about balance, not just raw power, the Fikar at $113.56 focuses on refined sound tuning. It includes a detailed balanced bass adjustment guide that walks you through setting the low-pass filter between 60 to 80 Hz for cleaner integration. That's huge if you hate muddy bass drowning out vocals. With 1200 watts peak and 300 watts RMS, the highest RMS here, it delivers strong, controlled lows without distortion. The aluminum build ensures durability, and the wired remote lets you fine-tune gain, boost, and crossover. It even supports mid and high-frequency enhancement by turning bass off, great for podcasts or acoustic tracks. Plus, accessories are replaceable within a year, which shows confidence in longevity. However, it lacks app control for the RGB lights, unlike the Zinclisses, and the remote is basic. Some users might find the tuning process intimidating if they're new to car audio. This is perfect for you if you care about sound quality over flash and want a sub that complements, not overwhelms your music. Skip this one if you want plug-and-play simplicity or vibrant lighting effects. At $113, it's a smart pick for thoughtful listeners. Product number 5, Zincliss's Color Light Edition. Finally, the Zincliss's Color Light Edition at $132.47, almost identical to the first model, but with one key upgrade: smartphone app control for the LED lights. That means you can turn them on, off, change brightness, or sync to music, all from your phone. If you liked the original but wanted more customization, this is it. Everything else remains strong: 1200 watt peak, 220 watt RMS, cast aluminum heat dissipation, dual input support, and a slim 4.8-inch profile. The remote still handles all audio adjustments, and the app adds convenience without complexity. It's also backed by the same 3-month warranty and US-based support. The only real downside? It's $3 more than the original and only adds lighting control, no audio improvements. So if you don't care about LEDs, you're paying extra for something you won't use. This is perfect for you if you want the reliability of the first Zincliss model, but with customizable ambiance. Skip this one if you prefer spending that $3 elsewhere or don't want another app on your phone. Still great value, just niche.
So, which should you pick? The Segmentry wins for pure budget value. The Zincliss's models lead in build quality and support. 7-Tour adds fun RGB, while Fikar focuses on sound precision. All 5 deliver real bass under $135. Just match the right one to your car, style, and listening habits. Drop your ride type in the comments. We'll help you choose.